I literally predicted the crypto market crash of 2022. Here are some videos that I had made way before the crash happened. Is Bitcoin really going to touch $100,000 this time? Let's check the technicals. The 100 moving average is a very important indicator when it comes to Bitcoin. If you see, whenever Bitcoin makes a new high and comes back to the 100 moving average, it means that the bear market has started. This has happened in 2013, this has happened in 2017, and this is happening right now with Bitcoin. So there is a very high chance for Bitcoin to break this $35,000 level and continue below. Follow me later for more such content. Bitcoin has always lost more than 80% of its value during bear market. This has happened in 2014. This has happened in 2018 where Bitcoin lost 80% of its value, and if that cycle continues this time, then we might see Bitcoin at $15,000 level. Do you think it's possible to see Bitcoin in $15,000 level in the coming days? What do you think? Let me know in the comment section. Now in this video I am going to share you the exact reasons why I felt that we might enter the bear market very soon, even when the market was very bullish and everybody was only buying. You let me know in the comment section whether my views are right or it's wrong. Now let me show you the 3 technical reasons why I felt that we might have entered a bear market in Bitcoin. Okay, and understand that this is just the technical reasons, right? I did not look at fundamentals like on-chain analysis and stuff. I'm just looking at the Bitcoin chart, and we are assuming here that the history will repeat. For example, the first observation that I made is in monthly time frame of Bitcoin. You can see here, whenever Bitcoin makes a new high, alright, and in the monthly time frame makes a huge red candle, makes a new high and makes a huge red candle, it means that the Bitcoin has peaked for this bull run and it might enter the next bear run. So that is what happened in 2013 from Bitcoin, when Bitcoin went from $10 to all and high of $1,100. It made this huge red candle, and in that 1 month Bitcoin had lost around 63%, and then Bitcoin entered a bear run. And similar thing happened in 2018 also. You can see when Bitcoin went from all the way from $100 or from all the way from $500 to a high of $20,000. You can see after it peaked in December of 2017, the January of 2018, you can see that it made a huge red candle again, losing a value of around 40%. So after this red candle, you can see the bear market had started. Similar thing happened even in 2021. You can see after Bitcoin made its new high from 3,000 to all the way to 60,000, it made this huge red candle, which got me thinking that we might have entered the bear market. But again, for some time Bitcoin stabilized in the same region, and yet again it came to the same levels and it made another huge bearish pattern exactly at the peak. So this added more confirmation that we might have entered, right? And after that you can see that this is what has happened. The second important observation I observed in Bitcoin was in the weekly time frame, the relationship of Bitcoin with the 100 moving average. So if you see, whenever Bitcoin makes a new high, whenever it makes a new high and then it comes back to the 100 moving average, it means that we have entered the bear run. For example, in 2013 Bitcoin went up and it came to the 100 moving average, almost losing its 65% value, and after that if you see, we were down for the next 1-2 years, right? Similarly, the exact same thing happened in 2018 also. Bitcoin made a new high and then came back to the 100 moving average. By then it had already lost its 65% its value, and after that it entered the bear run. Similarly, the same thing repeated again in 2020. You can see Bitcoin made a new high and then it had come back to the 100 moving average, losing almost 50% of its value. So here I started again by looking at the chart, assuming that we might have entered the bear run. The last and the most important observation in Bitcoin is the time frame. For example, if you see, if you observe the cycle of Bitcoin, this is how it happens. Whenever Bitcoin enters a new bull run, the price of it continue to go up for the next 2 years, and once it has maxed out by the end of 2 years, it enters a bear run where again it stays down for almost 2 years. So 2 years of bull run and then 2 years of bear run. This is how it has happened. For example, if we start seeing from 2012, you can see that this is where the bull run started, around here, and then it got maxed out in 2014, So here you can see that the bull run finally ended, and this started the entry of the next bear run. And from 2014 to almost 2016, you can see that prices stayed down until here. And after that again the bull run started, and from 2016 to 2018 we can see that we had a crazy bull run, right? So as you can see, 2 years of bull run and 2 years of bear run. This is how the cycle has been repeating. From 2018 again we entered a new bear run where the price of Bitcoin was down for the next 2 years until 2020. And again after the crash of 2020 Bitcoin recovered, and from 2020 to 2022 we can see that the prices again rose up, right? So after this time, if you just analyze this time frame, you can understand that after 2 years of bull run we might have entered the bear run, and that is exactly what happened this year. Now many people might ask me, Sagar, is it the right time to invest in cryptocurrencies? Well, I have shown you the right analysis, right? Bitcoin always loses 70 to 80% of its value, and as of now it's already lost 70% of its value. It might bottom. So according to that analysis, it might be a right time to enter. But again, it's your money, so take wise action and do your analysis before investing in cryptocurrencies. Crypto is a very risky investment where you can make a lot of money but also lose everything that you have. So always take wise decisions, and if you are completely new to the market, then I would suggest to not even enter into cryptocurrencies. That's it for this video. Thank you for watching till the end. Comment your views in the comment section, and also subscribe to the channel for more such valuable content. I'll see you in my next video.